Hi students, in today's session I am going to explain the continuation of important numerical, that is 20, 23 and 24 from evaluation in solid state chapter. The 20th problem is, if sodium chloride is doped with 10 power minus 2 mole percentage of strontium chloride, what is the concentration of cation vacancy? Let us see the solution. Each strontium 2 plus ion displaces 2 Na plus and occupied a lattice point. So, cation vacancy is found. If sodium chloride is doped with 10 power minus 2 mole percentage of strontium chloride, cation vacancies per mole of sodium chloride is equal to 10 power minus 2 mole percentage. Percentage we write like this 100, so 10 power minus 2 divided by 100 mole. So 10 power minus 2 divided by 10 square. So when it is going to numerator, 10 power minus 2 into 10 power minus 2. So 10 is common, minus 2 plus into minus 2. So 10 power minus 4. So 10 power minus 4 mole. Already we know that 1 mole is equal to 6.023 into 10 power 23 particles. That is Avogadro number. So cation vacancies per mole of sodium chloride 10 power minus 4. Instead of mole we put 6.023 into 10 power 23 particles. So multiply these terms, 6.023 into 10 power, here 23, here minus 4. So 23 minus 4, that is 10 power 19. So 6.023 into 10 power 19 particles. So the concentration of cation vacancies created by strontium chloride is 6.023 into 10 power 19 per mole of sodium chloride. And 23rd problem is, atoms X and Y form BCC crystalline structure. Atom X is present at the corners of the cube and Y is at the center of the cube. What is the formula of the compound? First, let us see the diagram. This is a non-primitive unit cell. Atoms are present not only the corners but also the center of the body. This is atoms, that is the corners. Atoms are present at 8 corners, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and also present in the center of the body. In BCC, X atoms present in corners and Y atoms are present in the center. What is asked in the questions? What is the formula of the compound? Okay, number of X atoms present in a unit cell. So that is corners divided by 8. So number of corners divided by 8. So how many corners is present here? 8 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 divided by 8. Cancel these terms. We get 1. Number of Y atoms present in a unit cell. Okay. So Y atoms mean that is in body center cubic. In body center, how many atoms is present here? Only one atom is present here. Okay. So number of body center divided by 1. So 1 divided by 1, we get 1. Okay. So x1, y1. So x answer is 1 and y answer also 1. So what is the formula? XY. So the formula of the compound is XY. And 24th problem is, sodium metal crystallizes in BCC structure with the edge length of the unit cell 4.3 into 10 power minus 8 centimeter. Calculate the radius of the sodium atom. Let us see the solution. What is given in the question? Edge length. That is A is equal to 4.3 into 10 power minus 8 centimeter. What we have to find? We have to find the radius of sodium atom. What is the formula? 4r is equal to root 3a. That is radius of sphere in BCC. Already we have studied in BCC. Refer your book, page number 189. Okay. We want r, so r is equal to root 3 by 4 into a. So r is equal to root 3 by 4 into what is a, that is given in the question 4.3 into 10 power minus 8 centimeter. Okay, What is the value of root 3? Already we know that root 2 value is 1.414 and root 3 value is 1.732. So 1.732 divided by 4 into 4.3 into 10 power minus 8 centimeter. Cancel this term. 4, 1 is 4. Here 0.4 4s are 16, remaining 1. So 3 4s are 12, remaining 1. 3 4s are 12. Okay, multiply this terms. 0.433 into 4.3 into 10 power minus 8 centimeter. We get 1.86 into 10 power minus 8 centimeter. This is the radius of sodium atom. Thank you. And then evaluate yourself. 1. Book inside problem. Refer your book page number 186. An element has a face center cubic unit cell with a length of 352.4 pm along an edge. The density of the element is 8.9 gram per centimeter cube. How many atoms are present in 100 gram of an element? Okay, let us see the solution. What is given in the question? Edge length, that is 352.4 per meter, and then density of the element is given, that is 8.9 gram per centimeter cube. What is asked in the question? How many atoms are present in 100 gram of an element? Okay, first we see A, that is edge length 352.4 per meter. Per meter is converted into meter, mean multiplied by 10 power minus 12 meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter we write like this, 10 square. Okay, so here 10 power minus 12 plus 2. So what is the answer? 10 power minus 10 centimeter. Then 10 power minus 10 is converted into 10 power minus 8, mean how to write? 10 power minus 8 into 10 power minus 2. Okay, then 10 power minus 2 is coming to the denominator, that is 10 square. 10 square mean 100. So 352.4 divided by 100 mean here 2 digit. So 3.524 into 10 power minus 8 centimeter. Then density is given in the question, that is 8.9 gram per centimeter cube. Okay, for FCC number of atoms is 4. First we calculate the atomic mass, that is density rho is equal to Nm divided by A cube into Na. So here N represent number of atoms for NCC, for FCC, SC or BCC. AC mean that is 1 and BCC mean that is 2, FCC mean that is 4. And M represent molar mass, A represent edge length and Na represent Avogadro number. What is Avogadro number? 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. We want molar mass. So molar mass M is equal to rho into A cube Na divided by N. Substituting these values in this formula, we get 8.9 gram per centimeter cube, that is density rho into A is 3.524 in 10 power minus 8 the whole cube centimeter cube into Avogadro number 6.023 in 10 power 23 atoms per mole divided by what is N? So N is 4 atoms. Okay, now cancel the unit. Here centimeter cube, here per centimeter. So cancel this term. Then next one, here atoms are cancelled. So what is the unit is remaining? Here gram and next one per mole. So gram per mole is remaining. So remaining terms is writing here. Here 3.524 the whole cube into 10 power minus 8 into 3. So minus 8 into 3 means that is minus 24. So into 24 divided by 4. So after that simplify these terms. Again 10 power minus 24 here 10 power 23. So 10 power minus 24 plus 23. So 10 power minus 1 divided by 4. Okay. Again simplify these terms. We get atomic mass is equal to 58.64 gram per mole. 58.64 gram per mole of element contains 6.023 into 10 power 23 atoms. What is given in the questions and what asked in the questions? how many atoms are present in 100 gram of an element. So 100 gram contains 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. Here given 100 grams, so into 100. Suppose given in 200 mean 200, 300 mean 300. So here 100, so 100 divided by 58.64. 100 I write like this, 10 square. 10 square means 100. So 0. Simplify these terms, 0.1027 into 10 power 23 and 10 power 2 mean 23 plus 2 25. Okay, so here 0.1027 into 10 power 25. I want 10 power 24. So I write like this, 10 power 24 and 10 power 1. So I write like this, 10 power 24 and 10 power 1. So 10 power 24, same thing I write here. 10 power 1 means that is 10. So multiply by 10. 0.1027 is multiplied by 10. We get 1.027 into 10 power 24 atoms. Thank you.